Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our March giveaway winner. So excited to tell you who won this amazing giveaway. It's our first monthly giveaway. We have another great one coming up for April if you weren't lucky enough to win this one. We had a lot of entrants, there was almost 2,000 entries and over 1,700 unique entries. So excited about that. Thank you for everybody who entered. It was so interesting hearing from you and finding out what you like to drink, tea or coffee. Found out there's a lot of hot chocolate people. So let me show you what this lucky winner is going to receive in the mail. Now I pay the shipping, so it's free. All you have to do is get it from the post office. It will be in a box. I'll put a low value on it, but if you do have to pay something for customs or whatever, I have no control over that. It depends on what country you live in and what their regulations are. So let me find what we are starting with. Is our Kazuri bracelet. This one's so pretty. Look at those beautiful colors. So pretty. Two different yellows, a green, blue, a navy blue, like a purple, a red. Matches everything. So fun. And they're nice, like pearl size, really great clay beads. You can hear the sound. So pretty. So when you wear it, you have a little jingle, a little bit. Anyway, I love it. So that's from Kazuri Beads, which is a very famous bead company in Nairobi. It's a really good initiative. They support and employ single women. They also educate the single women's children. They have a school set up. It's a very worthwhile cause and a beautiful jewelry. So that was the inspiration for the giveaway. And to go with that, we have all this yarn. I don't know how I'm going to show you. But we have the blues. We have the two yellows. Holy moly. How am I going to do this? We have the green, the purple, and the red. All the colors to go with the bracelet. Oh, so pretty. So whatever you want to do with that, welcome to it. It's Kenyan acrylic, 100-gram balls. It's a chunky, so a size 4. I use about a 5mm hook or a 6mm. It works up super great. Really, really nice. So that is the yarn and the bracelet. Okay. Put that back in the bag. Next, we have an assortment of tea, Caricho Gold. These are their herbal teas. Are they herbal? Well, they're the flavored teas. There's 4 flavors, 5 tea bags of each. So they have the spiced tea, green tea and jasmine, lemon ginger, and strawberry and vanilla. Naturally caffeine free. Specialty teas. Bursting with refreshing flavors and soothing aromas, our infusion and tea blends are specially created to provide the pleasure and satisfaction you deserve. That's good marketing, right? Anyway, those are the tea bags, or the tea flavors. We also have regular Kenyan black tea, 25 tea bags. This is the kind I drink. This is my favorite. Good old strong tea. It's not bitter, it's really great. 1 tea bag, strong enough. It's really good. Pure Kenyan tea, string and tag. So they're not in the individual foil packets. They're all kind of lined up in the box in a foil pouch. And then 1 tag in the hot water, and you have a delicious cup of tea. It has preparation instructions at the back, but we know how to make tea, right? We also have my favorite coffee, Rockburn Mount Kenya House Coffee, medium dark roast. So it's a dark roast. Well, it's a medium dark roast, I suppose. It says so right there. But it's not bitter. Like, you can make a strong cup of coffee and it still tastes really nice. So I really like that. It doesn't have any like burnt, like they didn't make it dark from burning the heck of the beans. It's dark because it's good coffee and it's well roasted, tastes great. Kenya produces, they have a big booming coffee industry and they have a big booming tea industry. Apparently most blends in the world, like Tetley and all the main companies, include Kenyan tea as part of their blend. Apparently that is the black tea. Most of it's all from Kenya. I should find some facts about that, actually, like the amount of it. But you're already drinking Kenyan tea. Who knew it? Yep. All hand-picked. Literally picked by humans who walk around and pick off the leaves when they're the right size. Moving on. Well, that's kind of crochet bits down there. Our snacks. Our safari puffs. We have 4 flavors of these, which I had to replace because my kids saw them, ran, and then asked really nicely if they could eat them. I said, fine. So I had to go yesterday and get more so they would be here and not eaten again. So there's cheese flavor, that's the cheetah. So cheetah cheese. They're like puffed up rice puffs. It's not like a rice cake, it's like fluffier, like a Cheeto, but not colored. So there's cheese flavor. Chili lemon. It's not as spicy as you think, but it's tasty. I think it's my favorite. There is also the lion tomato flavor. Those are good, kind of ketchup-y. And then there is the pizza flavor, which is basically like the cheese and tomato flavorings together. So those ones are actually good. It sounds like, I tried them. They're pretty good. Oh, delicious in there. So we have our lovely nuts. These are great. So cashew nuts, honey-coated. And macadamia nuts, honey-coated. Those are my favorite. I would have macadamia nuts all day long, honey-coated. They're not like super coated, like you still feel healthy eating them. Really good. So one of each of those to try. And we also have the dry, roasted, and salted macadamia nuts. So the same nuts, but without the honey coating. And dry, roasted, and salted cashew nuts. So both of those to try, a little sampler. Deliciousness. We also got in here, oh, those are good ones. My favorite Kenyan candies. It's called licorice, but it's not licoricey. It's like gummy berry kind of. It's not gummy berry, but like, someone even told me the right name. Anyway, they're supposed to be like sour strips. They're not really that sour. They're more flavorful with a tiny bit of like sourness on the outside. Chewy, yummy goodness. It's a Kenyan company run by a husband and wife. I totally admire their packaging. Like, that is so classy. So I support them whenever I can. Really, really great. So the flavor inside is green apple, cola, and strawberry. So you get a good little variety sample pack, and it's packaged so cute. So that is coming to you, lucky winner. We also have my favorite Axion dish paste with corresponding sponge. Love this stuff. So it's basically a grease stripper instantly. You wet your sponge a little bit, wipe it on the top of the paste, wipe it on your dishes, and your dishes are literally squeaky clean. All you have to do is rinse the soapy paste off. They're finished. And you can see inside, I wish you could smell it. It smells really good. It's just like a dry paste. So you wet your sponge, rub it on there, rub your dishes, you're finished. It makes dishes almost fun, very close to fun. Fun if you don't have to do dishes, it's a blast. If you have to do dishes, it makes it manageable. So that one is coming to you also, lucky winner. And, oh, let me finish that after. And 3 packs of Kenyan gum. I haven't tried this, so let me know how you like it. Let me know how it is. And our fabulous flavors. Let me see. Yeah, manufactured in Nairobi. That is classy. Okay. Long-lasting flavor. So this one is called Smooth Sensation. And this one is menthol. And this one's fruity. So there's 20 pieces in each little bag, and if you rip them open, there's a little zipper at the top there, which is also quite modern for Kenya, isn't it? Good packaging. So some gum to try. And for all the yarn, we're including our March mandala pattern. So this makes, it's the same mandala pattern I use for my stool covers. Of course, I don't have one here. Of course. Let me get one. So it is the same pattern I use to make these, except instead of stopping and doing just stitches and then doing a decrease to make a stool cover, you keep going and you can make whatever you want to make from it. I also use the same pattern to make little placemats like chargers. Super cute. So that is the pattern. This one here, March Mandala, written by me. So the pattern is all in English. You don't have to decode anything. Like I use words like double crochet, not DC and all that stuff. So super good for beginners, people who just want to read what you need to do without having to decipher it. Nothing to decipher in the Secret Yarnery patterns because we are lazy like that. We also have some information in there about Kuzuri beads. If you ever get to come shopping, or when you come shopping when you're in Kenya. And one cute little package of my whip cards. These are our whip cards, just to keep track of your projects, what you're working on. You just fill it out and keep it in your basket or your bag. And then afterwards, they're business card shape, so they also fit in a business card directory, like those little books you can flip through. So you can have all your whips in a little flip through book. So great. So project name, pattern source, hook size, yarn you're using, and some notes. And then on the back, they all say something different. So all those whip cards, so 5 of each style, are in this cute little package and going towards our lucky winner. Are you ready? I know, me too. Okay, our lucky winner is from the United Kingdom, and her name is Rachel Powell. Congratulations, Rachel Powell. You are the lucky winner. I'm so excited. So not only is Rachel so lucky, she is going to love it because she is also the mother of 4 kids. So who wouldn't love all those crazy colors? She can make anything with them. Her kids will love it. It's so fun. All the snacks, all the treats. I mean, it's exciting for the whole family, so I'm really, really happy that it was her. So her comment for the draw, or for the giveaway, was, Krista, you're such an inspiration. I absolutely love your vlogs, and the way you talk about Nairobi, it sounds so amazing, and it looks beautiful. Wow, my favorite drink is Nescafe Double Chocolate Mocha. It really helps along with the busy mornings. Laugh out loud, kiss, kiss, kiss. Yes. Her other comments, I printed those out too, just so you know how I know about her. Oh, see? Oh my gosh, love, love, love your whip cards. They're so lush. I need these in my life. You're getting them! Krista, could you do a tutorial on the granny pillow? Please. Ding, ding, did that last week too. Isn't this fantastic? Such an inspiration. Do, 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 do. Read that one already. So we love you, Rachel. So happy that you won. So excited that all these great things are going to such a great and busy home, from my busy home to your busy home. If you didn't get a chance to win this time, there's another giveaway coming up. I won't put it up April 1st, I'll put it up April 2nd. Lord willing, it's Easter weekend, kids are home. It's a bit crazy, but I'm working on it, and it's pretty much, I've collected just about everything I need to go inside it. So this is super exciting. If you wanted to try the dish paste, you can get the Mexican version on Amazon. So I'll put a link for this in the description box below. Totally worth trying if you want. I don't think anything else is on Amazon, but this is on Amazon, so you're welcome to look it up and give it a try. So I look forward to hearing from you and from all of you, and thank you so much for watching. See you for the next giveaway and everything else in our crochet life. Stay hooked.